The next topic that we'll be doing is inhalational anesthetics, right? And what you need to know is that they are arranged in the order of decreasing MAC and increasing blood gas coefficient. Okay. So first is N2O. The MAC value is 105%. Then xenon, then DES, CIVO and ISO. Okay, it is DSI, DES, CIVO and ISO, and then halothane. After that, ether, trilene, chloroform, cyclopropanol, and the lowest MAC is of methoxyfluorine. So methoxyfluorine will be the most potent, right? And since it has the highest highest blood gas coefficient or oil gas partition coefficient, so it will be the slowest acting. So these are fast acting drugs but less potent, and here we will have slow acting but potent, right? So this is increasing potency and increasing action time, ऐसे arranged है, right? So definitely we will be preferring these drugs which will be having some potency, but the action is of onset is fast, because we cannot afford to wait in the OT for several hours for their action to take place, right? So something in between is used. So the most commonly used anesthetic agent here we use is the sevoflurane. Like for induction, the king was what? Propofol. Like it is a very safe answer to mark, propofol. Here the same is sevoflurane. The most or the safest answer to mark if you don't know anything is sevoflurane, but it is obviously better to learn so that you don't make mistakes if some other question is asked. ठीक है, so what do you need to know? ठीक है, N2 से start करते हैं. Let me drop this. So N2O, it is stored in a blue cylinder, right? The pin index is 3,5. Very important, asked all the time. Actions, it will cause increase in ICP, increase in CMR. Then in CVS, it is a depressant. ठीक है, तो ब्रेन में increase, CVS में it is a depressant, it leads to aplastic anemia. Respiration में it decreases the carotid body hypoxic drive, right? GIT, it is a in respi it is a bronchodilator, right? In GIT it is a depressant. GIT may decreases. Then others are it causes relaxation of uterus. Okay, it is a uterus relaxant. It is also teratogenic. Then it causes spinal degeneration on chronic exposure. What will be the indications? None, because you can see it has no effect, not even potent. What is most important is that the contraindication, which is asked in every exam, right? So all the closed spaces surgery or where there is increased air cavity, in all these places N2O is contraindicated, like with pneumothorax, pulmonary hypertension, venous air embolism, very important, asked, volvulus, retinal surgery. Why? Because it increases ICP, IOP. Then vitreoretinal surgery, tympanoplasty, and also it causes the maximum greenhouse effect. Then it is associated with pointing effect at -6 degrees Celsius, concentration effect, right? Due to its faster induction, that is the second gas effect, because it is a carrier gas, and also diffusion hypoxia, which is known as pink phenomena. तो क्या क्या है इसके साथ? पॉइंटिंग इफेक्ट, पिंक फिनोमिना और डिफ्यूजन हाइपोक्सिया, एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेशन इफेक्ट और द सेकेंड गैस इफेक्ट बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ फास्टर इंडक्शन. तो इसमें द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस आर अबाउट इट्स प्रॉपर्टी. ठीक है. Xenon, it is the fastest acting, it has fast onset and recovery. क्यों? Because the blood gas partition coefficient is very low. Then it is an NMDA receptor inhibitor. ठीक है. We saw that ketamine, ठीक है, it was an NMDA receptor stimulator. तो this is a inhibitor, तो actions will be opposite to that of ketamine. ठीक है. तो मतलब ketamine was causing increase in everything, this is causing decrease, this will cause decrease in everything. It is used in liver patients. Then remember that xenon and N2 are safe in malignant hyperthermia. ठीक है, like their thiopental and propofol were safe. Then it is a colorless gas, odorless gas, hence it also leads to a smooth induction. इसके बाद आती हैं the important three gases, the big three that you need to know: desflurane, sevoflurane, isoflurane. ठीक है. Remember कि if there is a child, then sevoflurane will be used, for adult isoflurane, and for elderly desflurane. ठीक है. So we call this Dadaji, father and child. Child is Sevo, father is Iso, and Des for D, Dadaji. Then the desflurane, it causes increase in heart rate and BP because it stimulates the sympathetic nervous system, but it decreases the systemic vascular resistance, and emergence delirium is associated with desflurane. ठीक है. It is used in long surgery, ठीक है, elderly obviously, then obese patient, in liver patient, then severe hypovolemia and malignant hyperthermia. These are the side effects. क्या? Severe hypovolemia and malignant hyperthermia. Then it has a minimum metabolism. It is most pungent and it is the fastest inhalational agent that is used. ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, just remember elderly with desflurane, that's it. Then sevoflurane. Sevoflurane, it is the agent of choice in pediatrics. ठीक है. It causes least vasodilation and least myoclonic movement. The only thing that is of concern is increased QT, right? It also causes decrease in systemic vascular resistance, and very important, it causes maximum bronchodilator in non-asthmatic patients. मतलब जिसको asthma नहीं है, like healthy patient, उनमें the maximum bronchodilation will be caused by sevoflurane. This is also associated to some extent with emergence delirium. ठीक है. Indications क्या हो गए? Pediatric surgery, daycare surgery, and neurosurgery. Bronchial asthma में most commonly used. See, I've told you that all the answer, like to all the surgeries, the answer will be sevoflurane. What you need to remember is the exceptions. ठीक है. Pediatric, daycare, neurosurgery, bronchial asthma, in सब में we use sevoflurane. Then soda lime circuit is used with sevoflurane that consists of compound A, right? It is a nephrotoxic, है ना. तो this will lead to nephrotoxicity. ठीक है. दूसरा, liver disease में we cannot give this. What we do is we use isoflurane to maintain the hepatic blood flow. ठीक है. It also has a pleasant smell and hence it causes smooth induction. Therefore, it is used in children, because in children it is important to use something that is easily given, that can be easily given to the children. ठीक है. Next is isoflurane. It is an isomer of enflurane. हाँ, किस में देते हैं? पापा में. Then it causes increase in ICP. ठीक है. Decrease in heart rate, and remember it has the maximum decrease in systemic vascular resistance with minimal myocardial depression. तो क्या है? ये cardiostable है. Like sevoflurane, isoflurane, they both are cardiostable, but isoflurane is better. It causes coronary steel, and that can lead to some precipitation of ischemia or angina basically. ठीक है. इसको यूज किस में करते हैं? It is used in deliberate hypotensive anesthesia, in cardiac surgeries, because it is causing the maximum decrease in SVR with minimum myocardial depression. Then liver transplant patient, very important. Then if they ask what is the benzodiazepine of choice in neurosurgery, then the answer is midazolam. I don't know why did I write it here. ठीक है. Then remember that it is a pungent smelling gas, like the second most pungent smelling gas. Most pungent was desflurane and this is the second most. That is why these two are used in elderly, not in children. इसके बाद we read about halothane. It consists of thymol and is stored in amber colored bottles. It also causes increase in ICP. Then this is the maximum. It causes maximum myocardial depression. ठीक है, minimum was with isoflurane, maximum is with halothane. Maximum depression of myocardium. SVR में it causes no change and there is maximum hepatic blood flow. तो इसको किस में यूज़ करेंगे? Hepatic surgeries. It causes maximum uterine relaxation. ठीक है, तो ये याद रख लेना mom. So desflurane is for दादाजी, sevoflurane is for the बच्चा जी, isoflurane is for papa ji and halothane is for mom. So the grandfather, CO for child, iso for dad and halothane for mom. Why mom? Because it is a uterine relaxant. It causes maximum uterine relaxation. ठीक है, then remember it causes maximum bronchodilation in asthmatic patients. Non-asthmatics में sevoflurane was causing the maximum bronchodilation, but in asthmatics halothane is responsible for maximum bronchodilation. तो अब इसके uses: manual removal of placenta, then bronchodilation in asthma, right? Now the contraindications will be previous halothane hepatitis, cocaine. With cocaine it should not be used. Then it has increased arrhythmogenic, it increases the arrhythmogenic actions of catecholamines. This is asked, right? Then it is contraindicated with pheochromocytoma. It is contraindicated in heart disease, right? Halothane heart में नहीं देंगे. Halothane heart में we won't give halothane in heart. ठीक है, and it is the most common inhalation agent that causes malignant hyperthermia, malignant hypertension. ठीक है, the smell is smooth, sweet, and it will lead to smooth anesthesia. There will be no analgesia. The side effect is halothane shakes, for which the treatment is pethidine, and it has maximum metabolism in the liver and forms a product called trifluoroacetic acid. Then next are some other inhalation agents जिनके बारे में you just need to know some few points, like cycloproprane. It is stored in orange cylinder. ठीक है, and yeah, that's it. Then chloroform, it was initially used, right? We used to see in movies that people are mugging each other with chloroform. Sorry, not mugging, kidnapping each other with chloroform. It is hepatotoxic, just remember that, and it is contraindicated in diabetics. Then trilene, this causes maximum analgesia, right? For this also soda lime circuit is used. We were using soda lime for sevoflurane and trilene. Then ether, it was used by Morton. It has a slow recovery. It has it causes etheromania and it has a pungent smell. ठीक है, sweet smell is chloroform. तो भी chloroform ऐसे we put it on the nose because it is sweet smelling, है ना, seen in the movies. Then methoxyflurane, like we remember, most potent, slowest acting, and remember very important point, this is maximum epileptogenic, right? What is maximum epileptogenic is enflurane. This is the last anesthetic that we will be doing. So enflurane is maximum epileptogenic. Maximum nephrotoxic is methoxyflurane. ठीक है, methoxyflurane is this halothane heart. अब कैसे याद रखें? H for halothane is not in heart. methoxyflurane किडनी में नहीं देंगे. ठीक है, hepatotoxic and brain में most epilepticogenic is enflurane. Induction, if they asked, the answer will be methohexatone, and here the answer will be enflurane, maximum epilepticogenic. ठीक है, एक बार let's revise this. ठीक है, what do we need to know is that N2O, no uses as such. ठीक है, you just need to remember the properties, like it is contraindicated in those surgeries where there is increase in air cavity, like pneumothorax, pulmonary hypertension, venous air embolism, and maximum greenhouse effect. It has pointing effect, second gas effect, and diffusion hypoxia, which is the pink phenomena. Xenon, this is used in liver surgeries. Desflurane, it is used for long surgeries and elderly, Dadaji, right? Then sevoflurane, it is used in child pediatrics, डे केयर सर्जरी, क्योंकि बच्चे को चाहिए कि एक दिन में सर्जरी ख़त्म हो जाए, राइट. इट इज़ यूज्ड इन न्यूरो सर्जरी because it decreases ICP, right? And this is also used in bronchial asthma because it causes maximum bronchodilation in non-asthmatics. ठीक है, bronchial asthma, neurosurgery. Next is isoflurane. Now isoflurane is what? It is cardiostable, so it will be used in cardiac surgeries. ठीक है. And it is also used in liver transplant surgeries. Liver surgeries के लिए we use xenon, but liver transplant के लिए we use isoflurane. Then in heart surgeries, halothane is not used because it is maximum myocardial depressive, right? Enflurane is not used in neurosurgeries because it is epilepticogenic. And methoxyflurane is not used in kidney surgeries because it is nephrotoxic, right? Then halothane is used for mom, so it will be used in manual removal of placenta. Right, and it is the best for bronchial asthmatics. Okay, so these were all the inhalational agents. To watch part 1, that is the induction agents, click on the right column here, and to watch the next part, click here. For details, you can check the description and follow my Instagram ID. Your feedback is much appreciated. Thank you.